being a pharmacist for about 8-9 years now, I saw the ever-changing journey of every community pharmacist, industrial pharmacist, hospital pharmacist. In the next few years, gusto natin yun yung makita natin. Gusto natin yun yung doon tayo mas makilala. Na ay ito hindi lang to taga-tinda, ay ito hindi lang to taga-bigay, ito taga-alaga ng mga tao na pumupunta sa kanya.
Being a pharmacist fills me with joy and pride. I am actually elated, you know what? Because I know that I am touching lives.
It is very fulfilling to know that our knowledge empowers our patients to manage their condition and make our pharmacy as the center of care. And whenever they think of health, they will always think of pharmacist.
Ang masasabi ko lang po, we are your pharmacist, ready to listen, ready to guide you in your healing journey. If you think of your health, think pharmacist.
Para sa mga parmaceutico, ang inyong kaalaman at malasakit ay isang malaking ambag sa kalusugan ng ating bayan.
This World Pharmacist Day, don't forget to value the profession. Keep the fire burning and don't forget to value the pharmacist in you.
Sa mga kasamahan kong pharmacist, ipagpatuloy lang po natin ang pagbibigay ng magandang serbisyo sa ating mga komunidad at maging magandang halimbawa ng propesyong may puso.
I am grateful to you for keeping our community healthy and safe. So thank you for serving the Filipino people. When we serve people, we serve God, and this is our ministry. From all of us at CFED Family,
Happy World Pharmacist Day!
Remember?
think health,
Think Pharmacist!
pharmacist.
Think pharmacist.